Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to make habanero buffalo chicken wings. And the first thing we need is, well, you can buy it at the store, but I actually have my own habanero tree in my office right here. And this one looks really good. Ooh. Look at that. Tasty. First we're going to start off these are about 20 wings in a bowl. Right here, we're going to do a quarter cup of cornstarch, or you can use potato starch on these 20 wings. Next, we're going to use 4 tablespoons of chili powder. Next, about 4 tablespoons of smoked paprika. And 2 to 3 tablespoons of garlic powder. Right there's 4 tablespoons of salt. And we're going to use, I think it's about like 6 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And we're going to mix this all together thoroughly. And just going to blend the ingredients, and that vegetable oil is going to make it kind of, crispy when we put it in the oven. So this is a healthier way to make, spicy chicken wings. Or habanero buffalo chicken wings. Next, we're going to get a rack. You see how it's elevated so it doesn't get soggy. The goal is to make it nice and crispy. So now you're just going to slowly place all these wings on this rack right here. And I'm kind of running out of space. I'm just going to kind of like scooch it over a little bit and just make room for these last, I think I got 2 more wings to get on here. And this is the perfect amount, 20 wings. There you go. Next, we're going to place this in the oven for about 30 minutes at 375. And yeah, right there, 375. Or you could do 400. It's about the same, but 375. So after 20 minutes, I'm going to rotate the wings. You see how crispy these wings are? I'm going to rotate them to get the other side of the wings crispy. So this is 20 minutes. Then I'm going to push this back in the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes. Kind of gauge it with your eyes. About 30 to 35 minutes it takes to cook these wings. That's about 30, 35 minutes. I'm just checking on it. And look how crispy these wings look right here. Wait. There you go. Look at that. It's kind of hard balancing the camera with the wings, but, there you go, everyone. Now I put it into the bowl. Now I got to make the habanero buffalo sauce. I'm making this a little healthier. You're supposed to use a half a stick of butter, but I'm just using, a quarter stick of butter. 2 to 3 garlic cloves. Oh, dropped it right in there. About 2 garlic cloves. And now I'm going to add in those habaneros. Give it a little kick, if you know what I mean. There we go. Try to get it off the spoon. I don't know if there's an easier way to do that, but okay. That's about 6 to 8 tablespoons of Frank's red hot sauce. You can use more hot sauce, more butter, but what I'm trying to do is just get a light coat on these wings so they're not soaking, in the sauce. But you just need a hint of flavor and a hint of heat. Dumped the wings in, and it took me about 20 seconds to stir all these wings into this habanero buffalo sauce. And you just want to lightly coat these wings with it. It's looking good. And look at that, everyone. Habanero buffalo chicken wings. And it's much healthier than frying it. We baked it in the oven. And I'm so hungry. And put on a bowl with some rice and some coleslaw, and it's time to eat. So have a great night, everyone. Take care, and goodbye.